Is it not crazy how when we grow up we have all these big dreams, right? We like, when I grow up I want to drive a Lamborghini, I want to drive this car, this expensive car. But as we grow older, we are taught to conform to societal standards or to come back to reality, right? We see you dreaming of driving a Lamborghini, but that's just a dream, right? You should settle for whatever you can afford, right? You should come back to reality. Asking myself, the people who get to make it up there and drive those Lamborghinis, drive all those kind of things, what secret did they discover? Because I don't believe in this thing that some people are just meant to be successful, to be millionaires and all those kind of things. I've been a student for the past few years, and then basically done with school, and I decided that I don't want to go get like a normal corporate job, so I want to try and chase my craziest dreams, right, and see how far can I go. And it's so fascinating how whenever I speak to people, especially people who are older than me, and I'm like, so I've decided to go down this path, right, to go and chase my craziest dreams, not go to a corporate job, right? And let's put it like this, right? So let's say, for example, you graduate out of school, you have a place to stay, you know that your basic needs can basically be taken care of, right? So what's the need of going down a path you feel like you shouldn't be going down in, if I may say, right? So why not channel all your energy to chasing your craziest dreams? So what happens is people who are older than me, they'll kind of like put you down, put limiting beliefs on you. It's like, are you only speaking like this now because you're still a student? Once reality kicks in, then all these dreams and whatever, you'll see that they're not really realistic, right? So come back to reality. So fascinating for me is, why do we have to live our lives conforming to being just ordinary? And I'm thinking about the people who've done incredibly well in life and the people who've achieved the craziest dreams on earth, right? Those people went outside of the norm, right? I'll give you an example. Content creators, they started where they are with what they have, right? They picked up that iPhone, even if it's an old iPhone, they started shooting videos, even though the quality wasn't that great, but they knew what the vision was, they knew where they wanted to be, right? So they never lost touch of the craziest dreams that they have, right? That we want to be successful, we want to impact millions of lives out there. They started where they are with what they have. And obviously at the start, people would talk. They'll be like, are you trying to make yourself a content creator? Are you trying to make yourself that successful person? Because people always have a negative thing to say when you try to be different, right? So that they try pull you back to reality and say, come, be normal, be just like us, right? But before you can find your true self, you must kill other people's perception of you, right? You must stop trying to be who other people think you are. That's when you start becoming who you really are, right? Because now you'll dig deeper into, what do I love doing, what fulfills me, or what's my purpose in life, right? And once you start answering those questions truthfully, without you kind of like painting yourself with the same color that other people are painting you, then you'll find your true self, and then you'll be fulfilled in life because you'll be living according to your purpose. So I guess this video is more of like me asking you guys questions, and I believe that each and every person should be thinking about the answers to these questions, right? What's the craziest dream you've always had as a kid, and what's stopping you now from chasing those dreams? And also, do you still believe that those dreams are valid and possible to be achieved, right? And you can drop answers in the comment section. I'm really interested and keen to know. And if you believe that the dreams are not possible, they were just too wild or too extraordinary, why is that the case? So just drop the answers in the comment section. Why are you not chasing those dreams? What changed? And do you still believe in those dreams as an adult, or as a young adult, or as a teen? Drop the answers in the comment section. So I'll start. So as a kid, I've always had the dream to obviously live a lavish life, right? But one dream that was always close to my heart is, I always wanted to see myself in the entertainment space, specifically the music industry, changing people's lives, right? Taking kids from a township who are hella talented and helping them to make money and earn a living from their music. So that has always been my dream, right? And I'm like, I'm gonna change as many talented music artists' life as possible, right? Upcoming music artists, as I grew up, I was told that no, that's just a dream. You kind of like reaching and all those kind of things. So you should follow a more corporate-ish kind of life. You should go to university, study a degree which is useful, right? That's more into corporate, and that's why I kind of like studied accounting in a way now. But I'm really keen on going back and kind of like chasing all the dreams that I had back then, because I realized that as a kid you didn't care as much as you care about the material stuff, but at the end of the day you cared more about changing other people's lives, right? You cared more about how the people around you felt. So you really had a deep connection with life. But as you grow, it's like you tap out into that phase. What if we created a world whereby people are not scared of chasing their craziest dreams, right? Where people are not kind of like put down or fed limiting beliefs whenever they are dared to dream, right? So I want to create a world. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with it, but I wanna document my entire journey, put it out there for other people who've always wanted to do the same thing, right? And say you can dare to try. Even if you fail, at least you would have tried, right? So just drop a comment and let me know what you think about this topic. And also make sure that you like the video, you subscribe if you're not part of the community yet, because I'm trying to build this community whereby we're not scared to dream, right? We're not scared to go after our dreams and make our craziest dream come to life. So cheers.